हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मेरे नए वीडियोस देखते रहने के लिए मेरे वीडियो के नीचे दिए गए ये साइन सब्सक्राइब को अवश्य क्लिक करें। इसके बाद ये बेल के साइन को क्लिक करें। यहाँ इसको बॉक्स को क्लिक करने के बाद सेव करें ताकि आप नोटिफिकेशन मिलता रहे आपको मेरे नए वीडियोस देखने के लिए। थैंक यू।
Hello my dear students and friends, welcome back. This is the video I am going to make for you, and we are going to talk about that word let. So how we use that word let in English, we are going to learn that. Okay, so first, the let means the first use of let. When we propose, it means when we propose something which is to be done in a group. It means when we propose or when I propose something in a group, like we are 3 or 4 or 5 friends going together somewhere, and or we are having dinner together, and I want all of them, I just suggest everyone with me to have a particular dish, like let's have matar paneer or let's have rice, like this. So it means when I propose something in a group, come on, let's have a cup of tea. So the general formula for that is let plus us plus V1 plus V1 plus object. Okay, this is the formula here for that. And let plus us means let's. In short, we say let's. Let's plus V1 plus R. This is the formula. So in a group, I can say let's have a cup of tea. Means I suggest all of my friends or colleagues, okay, now we should have a cup of tea. So let's have a cup of tea. Let's have a cup of tea. Or let's play football. Let's play football, not cricket. Okay, so like that. Now let's go to the next use of let. Next use of let is, first I write the formula here, let, and then we use noun, pronoun, plus V1 plus object. But now you have to remember which noun or pronoun you can use here. Like we have to use me instead of my, me, you, or them, her, him. Like let me, let you, let them, let her, let him, like this. Okay. If I say let me go there, it means if suppose I am talking to you, you are my boss, you are my father, you are my mother, and I say or I tell you this sentence, let me go there. It means I request my mother to allow me to go there. Let me go there, please. And it may be in negative, like don't let him climb on the tree. Don't let him climb on the tree. Me stop him. He should not climb on the tree because he may fall down from that tree. So like that. So don't means don't allow him to climb. So like that. This is the use of that, and you may use it simple in any tense, like my father didn't let me go to late night cinema. My father didn't let me go to late night cinema when I was in college. Means my father didn't give me or didn't allow me to go to cinema late night. Or my father didn't want me to go to, didn't give me permission or didn't want me to go to cinema when I was in college. So you can use like that. You can use it in past tense or in any tense, like I won't let you go there. Means I won't let you go there. It is in future. Means I am not going to allow you to go there. I won't let you go there. So this is the use of let. There may be many uses, and if you think you have some of the sentences with you, you may write down these sentences in the comment box. I'll try to answer it. And if you think you want to learn English with me, you may be from any country, but if you think you want to learn English with me, maybe spoken English, written English, or whatever, you may be preparing for an interview, for any exam, I can help you. And I've already given my email ID and Skype ID here in that video and below that video. You may contact me to know the details about my course. So thanks for watching that video. Thank you.